I'm not sure what we're doing today. It's Saturday as well. Got Layla on the ground here. It's about 8:40 right now.
Good.
And we are about to get ready.
Go outside.
You gonna go outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Later on today, we got invited to a proposal. One of my husband's co-worker, he's proposing to his girlfriend, and he just came back from his deployment too. So that's pretty nice, and I'm excited for them. It also reminds me of my husband and I, because back in 2020, we went through our first deployment ever together. And after his deployment, he actually proposed to me as well. So that's pretty nice.
Nice.
I'm very basic. I love to wear leggings, t-shirts. One, because I breastfeed and it's more convenient. Put this leggings on.
Leggings.
No what?
No leggings.
Leggings. Texas t-shirt. My husband is from Texas. Okay guys, so I'm in their room right now. I already got a mirror dress because she took her clothes off earlier. And now I'm gonna get her dressed on the floor though. Sometimes I like to do that. And don't mind this basket of clothes. I need to put them away. Can you hand me the wipes, please, baby? Please.
Huh?
The wipes.
Wipes?
Yes. Don't put them here. Thank you.
No one got it? No.
No, I got a diaper. Thank you. I'm trying to get you dressed here. Y'all, this one of the reason why I'm getting her dressed on the floor, because on the changing table,
How?
she be everywhere.
Oh, octopus. That.
The octopus?
Octopus.
Yeah. I have a few potty training stuff for this little girl.
Hey.
I love you more. So this right here. Hi, Layla. You gonna open it? This right here is to go on the wall for her to do like activities. And this is all the potty training stuff that we got. We got her this book here.
I read it.
And some princess stickers in this here. Good job. So, Samara's breakfast. In the oven for about 35 minutes. When we leave Chili's, we're gonna head to Smith's. It's a grocery store to pick up a card and